Check out this sporty turbocharged Cruze. Equipped with a backup camera, rear park assist, climate control, sunroof, Bose Stereo system and more. Come see us at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo for all your vehicle needs. This Chevrolet Cruze boasts a turbocharged Gas I4 1.4 liter/engine powering this automatic transmission. Cruise control, engine, 1.4 liters Turbo DOHC 4-cylinder DI with continuous variable valve timing, CVVT 153 horsepower, 114.08 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 177 pounds-to-foot of torque, 239 Nm, at 2,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute, wipers, front intermittent, variable. This Chevrolet Cruze features the following options: windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power with driver and front passenger express down, wheels, 16, 40.6 centimeters, aluminum, wheel, spare, 16, 40.6 centimeters, steel, warning tones, driver and front passenger safety belts, visors, driver and front passenger vanity mirrors, trunk release, power, remote, tire, T115/70R16, black wall, compact spare, tire pressure monitor, tire pressure display. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9T3L3 can get you a dependable Cruze today.